Hey, how's it going, everybody? So I thought we could talk a little bit about the braces today. So these braces aren't something you can get off the shelf. We had them custom made. Let me see if I can get this phone to work now. Turn around. You'll love it when things don't go your way, you know? Turn around. Not working. Okay, got it. So we had these braces built in Tonasket by Tom Bretz and Apple Valley Machinery. As you can see, we've got large nuts welded straight to the plate. It's 1/2-inch steel. And then we've got these 1-inch nuts and fine coarse thread. This is all a custom design. And that's welded to a 4-inch Schedule 40 pole with a 1/2-inch plate for a footer. And they're 21 feet long. And at the top, got this all welded up nicely and bent, which was done by a big, heavy hydraulic press. Pretty awesome. So they're custom made. Each one of these supports we're putting up to the ceiling are self-adjusting. We'll be doing that one today, and then ongoing other two that need to be replaced and repaired. So if you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned.
So this is Derek. He's working on raising that brace. He's going to go around each little bolt and give it a couple of turns to each side. We'll slowly raise the pipe up to the beam. And that's the way these were designed. That way we could stand them and then raise them into place to support the beam. So stay tuned. Having lots of fun.
Wow. What an angle you gotta get to. So you can see that brace is going up, getting pushed up around that. It's gonna come up nice and snug on that foam. We've got 4 little holes on each side, 5/8 holes, and so we'll go ahead and bolt those in once we get the traction we want uphill. We gotta go ahead and push up, try and get a little belly sag out of these beams, and then we should be pretty happy. Oh yeah, you've gained about 4 inches. Just keep your hood on just in case any foam lands on your head, and keep working them bolts up.
I got my hood on.
Oh, look at it, cricket in here. We're getting scratched on that. We think it's about 4 inches so far. We've also got holes down in the bottom, you can see. Just there along each corner. They're 5/8 holes as well. And we're going to lag these down into the concrete once they're set in place. Open it.
So at this point, we've got the snatch block up in the upper right attached to the wall, and I'm attaching the rope to the top of the post or beam, and the other end of the rope then is going to be attached to the forklift. So we're going to use the forklift to back up and pull the weight of that pole upward. Stay tuned. Be a good show. Most of this process today has just been preparation for the actual beam lift. So now we're getting ready to go ahead and do that. So stick around, just a few more minutes. So we've got my lovely wife Danielle at the controls of the forklift, and my brother will be in there on the bottom of the post, making sure it doesn't slide away, and I will be lifting and guiding the post as we go forward. There we go. Let's give it hell.